Good morning, grade 6. Today, we're going to learn about how to analyze numerical data. In our past lessons, we already learned about the different gathering tools. The next step after you gather the data that you needed is to analyze them. Data analysis. This is a detailed examination of the elements or information as a basis for interpretation. So it is used to formulate conclusions and support decisions derived from a study or research. It is not helpful only for interpreting the results of an observation or a recent study, but it can also help you in predicting a future event based on trends depicted in your data. The quick analysis. This is the button that lets you analyze your data instantly. So this consists of the following: formatting, charts, totals, tables, and sparklines. So where can we find the quick analysis button? The quick analysis button is right here. So when you select a range of cells, it will appear on the right corner of the cells that you have selected. Or you can just simply press Ctrl Q after you select the range of cells. So, let us talk about the functions of the contents of the quick analysis toolbar. First, formatting. It allows you to easily spot trends and patterns in your data by using bars, colors, and icons to highlight important values. So, this contains the command buttons, which are also found under the conditional formatting submenu. In our example, the creator of this spreadsheet uses color to determine which house number has the highest or the lowest listing price. So, in this case, he uses the green color to determine the highest. These are the highest listing price, and then the red color to determine the lowest listing price. So for you, you can also use the data bars and the icon set. Next, charts. So it contains recommended charts that match your data. So you can preview the chart as you hover the mouse on each chart option. So as you are encoding your data here, you will also see the chart that shows the information that you need to be displayed. So you can choose what data that you want to display in your chart. Next is the totals. This performs calculations and displays the results at the bottom row of the table. It includes commands to automatically display the sum, average, percentage, and number count. So in our last lessons, you already learned how to display the sum and average and the number count automatically. Next, the tables. This contains recommended tables and combination charts that matches your data. So just like in the charts, you can also preview the tables that matches the chart that you are creating. Like that. Then you can hover the mouse to view the sum of the sales under each category. The last one is the sparklines. Sparklines are mini graphs shown alongside the data. These are the sparklines. This visually represents the data that you have encoded. So this is used to show trends in a series of values. For example, seasonal increases or decreases. It can be used in economic cycles or to highlight maximum and minimum values. So these are the miniature lines alongside the data that we have encoded. So those are the contents of the quick analysis toolbar. We have the formatting, charts, totals, tables, and Sparklines. Next, data visualization. So it uses charts to clearly represent data to help you analyze the data and draw conclusions. And then interpreting data. It is the process of making sense of numerical data that has been collected, presented, and analyzed. So as we learned in our past lessons, I have said that data is nothing if we do not come up with interpreting the outcomes. So that is the main purpose in data gathering. So to have the result and interpret its data.
Goodbye and thank you, grade 6.